All right, we are in Typhoon Lagoon. We got little waves compared to the Typhoon.
These are regular waves, cool waves.
Regular and cool waves. And then it's way down there. I know. You can see her over the. She did wave. And there's Sandy bouncing up and down over the water. And no leaves to be found. Wait a minute. Oh, that was weird. I think I'm in the middle of I'm in the middle of the wave here. Whoa, I'm in the middle of the wave. Look, I can stay in one spot. We just heard us. That's the captain whistle. Aruga. That's like that's a submarine whistle. What's gonna happen here? What are you guys looking at? What are you guys looking at? What are you guys looking at? Why didn't you warn me? You didn't even warn me. Oh, no. All right. There. All right, Ma.
I got it.
When a wave is coming, take off your glasses and hold on to them. Oh, I got a nose full that time. Boy. All right, we're going to try to get under this one. Here we go. Under. Look out, Ma, you're going to get hit by a wave. All right, we're going to try to jump over this. We're going to try to jump over. Okay, that was us trying to jump over it. Look out for the next wave. Oh no! Let's watch her. Let's watch Sandy. Where's Sandy? Oh, there she is. How did she get this? Hi, Sandy. How did you get to stay there? We got pushed all the way over there. So that's her plan. She's going to go down and lay at the bottom. It's on its way. There it goes.
And what do you guys got?
See, that was her plan. How did it work out? You be the judge. Did you see Lee's under there somewhere? We're still looking for her. And if you see Tim's tractor, tell him we're looking for him too. All right, Sandy's got an idea. She's gonna try body surfing. No, it's not a bad idea. You're doing it. All right, let's catch her. Here she goes, body surfing. She can do it. Swim, Sandy, swim. How is your body surfing? No, I'm good. Thanks, Cole. How'd you do?
Okay.
Yeah. I think she did great. What do you guys think? Hey, Danny's gonna do body surfing. Danny's gonna do body surfing. There she goes. How did I end up this way? What happened to my shirt? I almost lost all my clothes. How'd you do, Sandy?
Good, it was fun.
Yeah. I went toppling over. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. And we still can't find me. Alright, this is what it looks like underwater. So that's what the I lost my family. That's what the wave looks like underwater. Alright, we're here in Typhoon Lagoon, right? We have a plan. We're going to try to outrun this wave. I think we can make it to shore before the wave hits us. Sandy says it's impossible.
Yeah.
But no, it's not. We can do this. And I have to run away from this one. Come on, Sandy, run! Run, Sandy, run! Run, Sandy, run! We didn't make it, did we?
No.
What's the name? Yeah, this is the fun part, right? I'm running away! I'm running away! Okay. I was running away. And it still caught me. Oh no. Let's run! Come on! Come on, Daddy! Daddy, we're gonna make it! We're gonna make it, Daddy! We're gonna make it! We're gonna make it! Oh, I don't think we made it. Candy, did we make it? Hey. Candy, I don't think we made it. Don't try outrunning them. It won't work. Thank you, Typhoon Lagoon. Thank you very much.